Once results of an analysis have been calculated in a local coordinate system, it is good practice to align the local coordinate system to common coordinates. This eliminates misinterpretations and leaves less room for error. In this instance, all horizontal planes of the local coordinate system will be aligned with the global system. From the Views toolbar, select Local Systems. Then, from the Object Inspector window, under Objects of a Model, right-click Floors, and then click Select All. All horizontal planes are now selected within the model. Now, from the text menu, select Geometry, Properties, Local Panel Direction. This displays the Local System Orientation dialog. Here, you may order the change in the sense of z-axis, or request alignment of the local x-axis with a vector for selected panels. For this example, to align the coordinate systems of the horizontal panels, the main floor and staircase landings, and the slanted panels, stair flights, select Definition of Local X-axis Direction in the coordinate system, and leave this option set to Cartesian. Click in the Direction Vector of X-axis field, and in the drawing area, pick at the point x equals 0, y equals 0, z equals 0.2, and then click Apply. A warning dialog displays indicating that the performed operation will cause changes in the database containing structured data and may cause a change of the result status to Not Available. Click Yes to continue. Close the Local System Orientation dialog. Now the procedure repeats for vertical planes. From the Object Inspector window, under Objects of a Model, right-click Walls, and then click Select All. Again, open the Local Panel Direction dialog, select the Definition of Local X-axis option with Cartesian enabled, and then click in the Direction Vector of X-axis field. In the drawing area, pick the point x equals 11, y equals 11, z equals 0.2 to set the direction, and then click Apply. With the dialog still open, clear the Panels field to clear the contents, and then select Change of Local Z-axis Sense. Notice how the preview illustration changes to match your new selection. Then click in the Panels field, and in the drawing area, select the panels of the outermost staircase walls. In your selection, include the basement wall as well. Click Apply, and then close the dialog. From the Views toolbar, toggle off the Local Systems and Section Shapes views.